Welcome to the floor plan template tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show how first-time creators and developers can begin creating AR experiences without a detailed floor plan, thanks to the use of the new template floor plans. To use the ARway platform and add content like location pins, paths, and guided tours, you will need a floor plan. The new template floor plans offer a convenient way to explore the creator experience flow in your space without having to prepare your own floor plan. Begin creating AR experiences with new template floor plans. To create a map, click Setup Map. Enter the name and the description of your new map and add a thumbnail. If you don't have an accurate floor plan yet, or you want to create a demo map, click Select a sample floor plan, choose a floor plan template that best reflects the shape of the office or room you want to map. Click Upload and name the floor plan. Click Next to download the QR code and activate your map. When you're ready to upload your custom floor plan, check out the floor plan specifications to make sure the floor plan meets our requirements. Ensure that your floor plan matches the file type, pixel ratio, resolution, and scale listed in our floor plan specifications. Upload your custom floor plan to begin creating your unique AR experience.